Hi everyone, I am Ayush, co-founder and CEO of Distinct Horizon. At Distinct Horizon, we want to create the second sustainable green revolution. We want to become the leaders in plant and soil nutrition and hence create this sustainable revolution. Uh, we are currently focusing on powered fertilizer deep placement applicators machines. These machines apply fertilizer much more scientifically at the root zone of the crop. These are unique technologies, have been internationally patented by us. We are already able to double the profits of farmers and do that extremely sustainably. Our machines are certified by the government. We have been working with prominent partners like the world's best design company IDEO, Tata Trust, Gates Foundation, Syngenta Foundation are helping us scale this technology already. Our machines can work on almost all crops, sugarcane, paddy, maize, wheat, vegetables, etc. They are also multifunctional. They can do several operations in one go, including fertilization, tilling, weeding, earthing up, seeding, etc. The results are very, very visual, and that is why farmers are getting really excited. The profit increase is of the order of 20,000 rupees per hectare per season for a paddy farmer, and for a sugarcane farmer, there is increase of profit of 50,000 rupees per hectare per season. This is apart from other benefits like climate change mitigation, water pollution reduction, and significant improvement in soil health as well. Machines have been widely accepted, adopted. We have been working across 6 states of India, and that's where we are so confident on our results as well. Finally, we are trying to combine these big things, having massively scalable products, hardware, combined with data and AI integration, and also combining it with innovative nutrient combinations to really transform agriculture in the developing world. Thank you so much. We are really excited to win this award. Thank you, Manage and Samunnati, for giving us this. Thank you.